diamonds, I ain't never do you cheat, baby. Yeah, cause you ain't cheap, baby. Can you be my destiny? Yeah, I hope you my destiny. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Destiny, and I am back with another vlog. So right now it's currently like 8 o'clock, and I'm supposed to be to work at 8:30, and it's snowing outside really bad. So I gotta get a move on it. I gotta leave like right now. I still gotta get the snow off my car. I know my man to do it, but I don't want to wake him up, and it ain't that much. So boom, 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 get to work and go. I'm gonna show y'all the snow. But yeah, I just did my eyebrows and that's it. So now I just gotta put my work clothes on and head out the door ASAP. So stay tuned for the rest of this vlog. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. So y'all, this is the snow currently. This is the snow, and I have to wipe off my dang old car. But yeah, this is the snow. It's real bad, and I gotta drive in this, and I'm running behind. Watch y'all, my boyfriend gonna ask me to. He gonna be like, why you ain't ask me to come early? Why you ain't waking me up to come do the snow off your car? Get the snow off your car. I'm like, cause baby, I had it. It's soft still, so it's cool. Can't show y'all my license plate. Creeps. Yeah, it's still soft though, so it's gonna be real quick and easy to get off. See how that's just falling off? Boom. Easy. Do y'all wipe off this part? Or y'all just let it fall off and y'all drive? Because I feel like I'm doing too much right now. Because I'm driving. It's good enough. So hey y'all, I am in the car now. Don't y'all ever notice that like when you want a light to be red so you can do what you got to do in the car real quick, you catch every light? And that's me right now. I was just trying to put my hair up in a ponytail or whatever, and I was catching every light. Like dang, like when I'm in a rush or something, every light be green. Every light I run into be green. But it's so crazy that when you want a red light, they all be green. But yeah, that was my current situation. So right now, excuse me y'all, I'm trying to find me some lip gloss for my lips. So it's down up in my bag somewhere. Y'all, it's not that bad out here. How people make it seem. Just take your time. Found my lip gloss, y'all. Now don't that look much better? This camera don't do it justice, but in person, lip gloss hitting. I'm running late from work. They should understand, like it's a whole snowstorm, so they should be understanding. It be sounding like my windows be down or my doors be open, but my car would alert me if a door open, but it ain't. But I don't know. So I don't really got much up for today. I'm really just going to work, and even though it's snowing, I still want to try to get into the gym today. Y'all, I have been so dedicated. Like I've never went to the gym consistently in like, which is how you say it, in like this many consecutive days. Like, sorry y'all if my camera shaky. I'm in the car, so it's the road. But I have never just been in the gym like this consistently, going like consecutive days in a row. I'm so proud of myself. Like, this is crazy. I'm proud of myself. But even though it's snowing and it's bad out here, I'm still gonna make a way to the gym. Because it's not too far from me anyway. So I said this year, because I got into my birthday in July to lose 20 pounds. So I'm down 5 pounds. So I got 15 more pounds to lose. And I should be able to do that by July. It's only March. And I started in February. So I have more than enough time to get it together, get right, eat right, lose my weight. Because coming into 25, I have to be snatched at 25, okay? Because the stuff I want to wear for my birthday, yeah, I got to be able to fit into that. And I want to do a photo shoot. Yeah, 25 is a milestone, honey. So I got to make sure I step into it. How do I work? I got to make sure I step into it how I want to step into it. You feel me? I don't want to step into it like, damn, I'm the same as last year. I want to step into it like 25. Big grown, okay? Big grown. Or whatever. So, yeah, so I'm sticking to this goal because this is one of my biggest goals, is to finally stay consistent, stay in the gym, and lose weight. Because I've been putting it off for way too long. All this time wasted, I could have been where I wanted to be. But yeah, so I did lose all my weight in April after I had my son, because I was in the hospital for 3 weeks. And I had lost like 15 pounds being in the hospital. And when I got out, I couldn't work out or I couldn't do anything strenuous. So I was just sitting there. And I eventually just gained that weight back. Once I was feeling better and able to start eating again, I gained it back. Not all of it now, but I gained a good amount back. And I was telling myself, like, once they release me to start getting up and working out and stuff, I'm going to get in the gym. I want to keep this size, because the size I got down to when I was sick in the hospital is the size I want to be. Now, it was kind of too small because I'm tall, but if I tone that up, it'll look so beautiful. I mean, so beautiful. So that's what I'm trying to get back down. So that's why I only want to lose a good 15-20 pounds, because by me being tall, I don't want to lose too much, because then I start looking sick or I look crazy. And then I also got some big tatas. So if my tata is huge and my body slim, that's gonna look kind of crazy. So I gotta make my body look proportional and to how I like it. So this car would never be going this slow. So I went around that other car for no reason, just to get behind it. But who the hell he blowing at? Who the hell is semi blowing at? Because I know it ain't me, because we in a whole different lane, honey. I really gotta get over, because this car is not driving. This car is not driving. Like, if you scared to be on a freeway in the snow, get off. Why are you down here acting scary? Like, he going too slow, like barely moving, and not even in a slow lane. He's in the fast lane. That's probably why that semi truck was blowing. That's probably why. He wasn't blowing at me. But anyway, back to what I was saying about my journey. Sorry, y'all, I got sidetracked. Back to my journey. So yeah, so I've been consistent, dedicated. I got till July, y'all. Hold me to it. hold me to it. I'm telling y'all to hold me to it because I lied to myself so many times talking about I'm doing it. No, this time I can't lie to myself no more. I can't lie to myself. How you lie to yourself? That ain't right. You're supposed to lie to yourself. So I'm gonna stop lying to myself. And I'm gonna prove myself wrong. I don't got nobody to prove wrong but myself. For real. I got a point to prove to myself because I keep saying I'm gonna do it. And I be in my feelings like, damn, like I ain't losing no weight because I wasn't applying pressure. But now it's my season to apply pressure, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm applying pressure, okay? I got to July to July 8th, my birthday. I got to July 8th, okay? I hope and pray that I stick to what I'm doing and stay consistent. I'm down 5 pounds. And yeah. So I'm happy about that. So I'm almost at work. I'm already 2 minutes late. But they gotta understand it's a snowstorm out here. I'm already 2 minutes late. But I'm right around the corner. So don't mind my nails either. Oh my God, ew. Don't mind my nails. I'm gonna get my nails done, y'all. And I gotta get my hair done. So don't mind my hair if y'all keep seeing the same hairstyle. Actually, I redid it. So yeah. So it's fresh. It's the same style, but it's fresh. But yeah. I don't know if I want to sew in because my son's birthday coming up. So I don't know if I want another. Can you go? The light is green. What you doing? Anyway, I don't know if I want another sew in. Not another sew in because I ain't had no sewing in so long. Because it pull out my edges. But when I get knotless braids, them knotless braids grew my hair so long. And I'm pissed off because when I redid my hair, right here, I cut the braid too high up and I cut my hair to about right here. Mind you, my hair right here. And I cut my hair to right here. So I'm pissed, and it's in the front. So I think I'm gonna get braids, but I don't know. I might get a wig. But I ain't too good at putting wigs on, and I don't want my lace to be looking crazy in my son's first birthday pictures, y'all. So I think I do want a curly wig though. I think I'm gonna order a wig, watch a tutorial while I'm putting it on, so it'll look decent at least for photos for my son's birthday. But yeah, I think I want to do a wig. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. Y'all, I know the weather bad and it's all this snow out here, but it looks so beautiful. Like all the snow on the trees, like it's actually beautiful. Like you don't want to drive in it, but it's beautiful. It's so beautiful, y'all. So I think I'm gonna do a month of March Q&A too. That might be my next video because I think I'm gonna attach this vlog to the vlog for tomorrow because me and my brother and his wife and my man, we're supposed to be taking the boys out because we all got boys, so we call them the boys. So we're supposed to be taking the boys out to Monster Jam. So I think I'm gonna attach that vlog to this one because I'm not really doing nothing today. If not, this will be like a short mini vlog, and then I'm gonna start a different vlog tomorrow as we at Monster Jam with the boys. So yeah, so let me see, I'm 5 minutes late for work now, but that's a 5-minute grace period. Plus it's snow, you gotta add like 5 more to that. They cool though. They cool. They ain't gonna trip. Long as they got people, because they short. So long as I came, they satisfied. They don't care. They care, but they don't care. Long as they got people, because people been calling off all week. We've been short of staff, everything. So they better be glad I'm here. I'm late, but I'm here, honey. You feel me? My manager be on it, honey, okay? She already got the parking lot sorted out, snow plowed, okay? She wasn't playing. She like, no excuses. I think all the patients today gonna cancel their appointment because they are older. yeah, we see mostly elderly people, so I just feel like a lot of patients about to cancel their appointments. A lot of them already did days prior to, like, it's a snowstorm coming. I'm 80 some years old. I ain't getting out in that snow, falling, busting my ass. Say no, but yeah, they didn't cancel their appointments already. So I'm about to go in here. I might see y'all on my lunch. I might see y'all back on my lunch. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go in, clock in, because I'm already 7 minutes late now. So let me go in here, clock in, show my face, and do my work. Okay. All right, y'all. Catch y'all in the next clip.
Come with a classic, they come around your slave and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Watch your wife for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I give you for a place, you know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should pull it with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I swipe and touch my shoulders, you wouldn't believe it. I got skaters on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind with my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two guys.
All right, y'all. So I'm done in the gym. So now I'm about to head home, and then I'll probably end this vlog here, but stay tuned for tomorrow's video because, like I said, we taking the boys out, and I know they're gonna have a very, very, very good time. You know what I'm saying? And I love the Monster Jam as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get some footage from there. So y'all might get this video Saturday or Sunday, and then the Monster Jam video Tuesday. We'll see. Just stay tuned. Turn on the post notifications, okay? And don't judge me in these gym videos, because I told y'all I don't know what I be doing. Long as I'm in the gym, it's all that matter. But I do need to figure out what machines to do and how to do them. And y'all, I need to strengthen my legs because, whoo, baby, trying to do some leg exercises. Oh my God, I can't. I can do like at the most 3 to 5 with my legs. Okay, so I need to work on my legs, definitely. I'll try to get on this one machine and pull myself up. I might insert that clip, I might not, because it's very embarrassing. I tried to lift myself, like pull myself up on that machine. Girl, bye. Find somebody else to do it. I'm like, oh, I ain't ready for this. So I got off that hole. I got off of that quick. But yeah, all right, y'all. So make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe on this video. Comment whatever y'all want to comment down below. Make sure it's respectful and positive. That's all I'm asking. All right, y'all. Hope y'all have a great, blessed, prosperous day. Productive day. All right. Bye.